How to connect Microsoft Teams with Google Calendar. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to connect Microsoft Teams with Google Calendar easy and fast. So all what you have to do is go to Microsoft Teams. Now go to the top corner and click on your profile picture, then go down and choose settings right here. Click on settings and go down until you find the calendar option. Click on calendar and it will take you to this page. Now all what you have to do is click on connect right here, and you will be able to connect your Microsoft Teams account with Google Calendar easy and fast. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later and thank you so much.